What is AEO? Answer engine optimization is the practice of getting your brand mentioned, cited, and recommended inside AI-generated answers. And right now, many are panicking about it, but the smartest marketers are celebrating. Here's why. Because the traffic coming from AI answers converts 6 times better than traditional search. The volume might be lower, but the intent is massive. This is A.E.O. And if you aren't optimizing for it, your best customers are being sent to your competitors. Whereas SEO was about climbing to the top of the page, A.E.O. is about being part of the conversation. People don't just type keywords into Google anymore. They're conversing with AI.
Now the front page of the internet in a lot of ways for some of these questions is shifting towards AI answers. Your first sales call is happening inside of an AI answer.
Think of AI as your new sales development rep. It handles the first sales call all on its own. This means that the traffic that does come to your site is effectively pre-qualified. It may be lower volume, but the intent is far higher.
At Webflow, 8% of our self-serve signups are coming from LLMs or AI search. That traffic converts 6 times better than non-branded organic search. Like, not 6% better, 6 times better.
That traffic is 6 times more likely to convert.
Because the browsing already happened inside the LLM.
Showing up in AI answers comes down to 4 things. Number 1, content. Stop optimizing for keywords. Optimize for intent. Figure out what your customers are actually asking the AI, then give it the best answer to pull from.
In content, you go from counting keywords to go listen to your sales call recordings, go look at the emails and pick some questions that are meaningful in your buyer journey and then go answer them. Answer those questions fully and comprehensively and then go personalize that so it's super duper relevant.
Number 2, technical.
In technical, you go from on-page SEO to give LLMs more clues about the structure and meaning of your site. So we all did a bunch of metadata for Google. We did a bunch of metadata for Facebook's Open Graph. Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and others a few years ago came up with Schema. Like, here's the metadata to say, here's a blog page, here's a bio page, here's a product page. If you look at Google's top 10 results, 73% of them have this kind of metadata, but 88% of websites haven't implemented it. Real opportunity for us.
If the LLM can't read your site structure, it will do one of 2 things: ignore you or make something up. Schema prevents that. It's metadata that spells things out for AI. This is a product. This is the price. This is the rating. The clearer you are, the less room there is for hallucination, which is filling in missing information by making stuff up. Number 3, authority.
We go from backlinks. They still matter. But now there's increased importance to plain text repeated mentions that are positive about you elsewhere. The LLMs can pick up things more quickly than before in plain text, whereas in search it took a while to get all those backlinks.
Backlinks mattered because Google counted them. But AI plays detective. It reads context, weighs sentiment, positive mentions from credible sources. That's your trust signal now. Number 4, freshness.
Whereas before, maybe in SEO, you could get away with not refreshing your content for years. Now with A.E.O., it's highly unlikely that you're gonna do well in showing up in AI answers if you have outdated content. Freshness of content is actually one of the factors that's probably the most emphasized or biased today.
Here's the thing about freshness. AI models are biased toward recent data. If your content is stale, the model treats it as obsolete and moves on to someone else. The choice is yours. You can spend the next 6 months testing schema markups and prompt engineering all by yourself. Or you can see what's already working and implement it right now. In the AI-led growth community, we aren't just guessing, we're sharing the strategies that companies like Webflow, Lovable, and Ramp are using right now to show up in AI answers. There's no need to reinvent the flywheel. Just come get the blueprints. They are waiting for you inside ALG.